Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be talking about our tour pack conversion. This is a Road Glide Ultra, and the tour packs are hard mounted on here. So we're going to show you how to remove the stock tour pack, the mount, and then also how to add our 4-point docking system and also our mount so you can take this tour pack on and off really easily. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove your saddlebags. With a T40 Torx, you're going to go ahead and remove the 4 bolts here, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Well, after you got the saddlebags off, you want to take your seat off and go ahead and disconnect your connections here. These are for your audio and your brake lights. And then there's one for your antenna here too as well. Now we got that stuff out of the way, we can go ahead and remove 2 bolts on this side T40s and 2 bolts on this side T40s, and you'll be able to pull this pack right out. Once you got your 4 bolts out, you can go ahead and just pick up on the back here, and it should come right out, just like that. Alright guys, these are our 4-point docking hardware. So what we're going to do is the 2 bolts you took out, to take the hard mount tour pack off, you're going to use those same 2 bolts, and they go right in the same spots. After you got your tour pack taken off, you're ready to install our 4-point docking system. The 2 screws that you took out to take the hard mount pack off, you're going to use those same 2 screws and mount this in. If you look on the back, there's a little slot. These guys go right down in that slot, and again install with the screws that you took out from the hard mount tour pack. And then again guys, same thing on this side. Slide your 4-point dock in here, and your 2 screws. Alright guys, now that you have your 4-point docking system installed on your bike, now it's time to change out your hard mount for our HOGWORKZ mount so that you have quick detaches on here and be able to take it on and off nice and easy. First thing you want to do is get a 10mm socket, wrench, and there's 4 bolts that hold this on, the OE mount to the tour pack. So you just want to come underneath here and run these 4 nuts off, and then basically you're going to put our HOGWORKZ pack right in the same spot. Alright, so once you have your 4 nuts removed from the underside, go ahead and just pull your tour pack off of the OE mount. So once you have your hard mount off, go ahead and install our HOGWORKZ mount. Again, be in the same spots, lines right up, your washer, your nut back on, and you're ready to go. Alright, so once you have your HOGWORKZ mount on your tour pack, you're ready to go ahead and install it. Alright, so when you go to install, you want to hook your fronts in first. Like that. Set your rear down. Alright, so once you got your fronts locked in, go ahead and set your rear down. and lock them in place. All right guys, once you got your tour pack mounted, what you want to do is your OE tour pack has your license plate bracket on it. It's integrated with it. With our system, if you take your tour pack off, you still want to be able to have your license plate on the motorcycle. So our kit comes with this bracket that goes right behind your rear light, right in front of it I should say, and it gives you a spot to remount the license plate so that no matter if you have your tour pack on or off, you always have the plate on the bike. So the way it goes on is there's 2 screws on each side of the taillight. Go ahead and remove those. And then once you get those out, go ahead and take the taillight out, disconnect it, and then go ahead and disconnect your other light, your other wire here. So after you got your taillight taken out and disconnector unconnected, there's 1 screw in the center here. You want to go ahead and remove that, and that'll be able to take this whole light bracket off of here. You can pull this piece off. Then once you have this piece off, this guy right here, license plate bracket, goes right here. Make sure you run your wire through here, and then again, make sure you pull it through here. Reline up your holes here, run this center screw back through. That's going to lock your license plate bracket into place. Go ahead and connect your wire. And then reconnect your taillight. And then remount your taillight using the 2 screws you removed earlier. Alright guys, you'll notice if you do take your tour pack off your Ultra that you will be lacking your turn signals. So one thing that HOGWORKZ offers is an integrated brake light and turn signals, has them both right inside the light. So that is one option. Another option that we do offer is saddlebag lights, so you can check those out too.